What is up, guys? It's your boy Jay here, doing something completely different, something I've never really done before. I'm gonna be doing kind of like a little vlog today. I got the GoPro out, been kind of get some other stuff done, but yeah, we are getting the GoPro out. We want to try to do some vlogs for the channel. So I got my little Civic here. This is my car, 2014 Civic EX. Very nice daily. Definitely needs to be cleaned though. But it's been winter. I've not had really a chance. It's been warm a couple days, but it's mainly on the weekdays where I have to work, that kind of stuff. But probably clean today, hopefully. But anyway, we are heading up to North Carolina, Wilkesboro to be exact, to a car show slash swap meet slash testing tune. So we might actually see some cars on the drag strip. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for this. Hopefully this will be a exciting start for the channel, exciting start for the future of my content. But yeah, I'm not gonna do like a time lapse or anything like that on there because I'm not really familiar with the time lapses, that kind of stuff. But I know I'll have to test that out whenever I get the chance, whenever I get time and that kind of stuff. So, but yeah, I'm pretty excited to do this, and I'll just cut away when I get to there. So it's gonna be a long drive, about 2 hours. So, but I'll cut away when I get to North Carolina, and we'll hopefully see some good cars and maybe see some cars on the track. You never know. Alright guys, we have officially made it to Wilkesboro, North Carolina. It took about 2 hours. Really nice drive though. But we are here for a lot of stuff going on actually. We have a car show going on all the way over there. We'll check that out definitely first thing. But also we'll definitely get some footage of here. We are at the drag strip. So a lot of cars are going to be coming down. Definitely have to get some footage of that. But yeah, it's going to be a very, very cool day. And yeah, let's go over here to the car show. Let's check this out. By the way, guys, if you enjoyed this, like I said, this is kind of a first thing for me. I'm not used to doing vlogs or anything like that, but if you guys enjoy this, please like the video, hit the subscribe button, and we'll definitely continue on doing more. I think this will be a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to keep doing this, and hopefully for you guys, and what to see. Already starting off with the bang. Got a nice Mustang right here. Very, very cool. For you guys who don't know, Ford Mustangs are definitely my dream cars to get. It's got a nice stance to it. Looks really nice. Nice classic Charger.
And see, and I'm running a crankcase evac system, like run on a race car. And I'm running, turned about around this way. And I turned around and drilled this hole, and I TIG welded this bun in.
Can't really tell what year it is. I'm gonna assume since it has the round headlights. I'm guessing it's 1970.
68.
Thank you. I only pretend I know what I'm doing. It's a lovely car though, really nice.
Thank you.
Really cool Camaro, Rally Sport. 60 miles. Camaros are always really nice.
Yeah, and they told me it's gonna take
Blue white stripes too, very nice. Very, very cool.
But having him fix my ACL and MCL and then do it.
And then over here we got a beautiful Mach 1 Mustang.
Well,
now this year type of model is kind of hit or miss with people, but I tend to like them a lot. Really nice color. I think red suits it really well, especially with the black stripes going down the side. Like this too, Galaxy 500. Good thing about doing these vlogs too, when I have a GoPro like this, is that I can just just kind of have a good image of the engine bay. So, very clean interior. You guys can see that. Camaro SS. Fun fact, I think my mom used to have a Camaro SS. I think it was a red one, way back in the day. By way back, I mean like 20 years ago. So, I mean, it's been a long time since that Camaro, but it was all right. Little GMC truck for all you GMC fans out there. Cars are just rumbling around the track. Can't wait to get a picture of that. Very nice 57. I think it's 57. Bel Air. Big mother thumper. It's also sexy chick. Very nice though. Big tire in the back. Chevelle. Very interesting. It's in I don't see a lot of white Chevelle SS's, but I mean it looks very, very clean. I didn't really get much of the engine. There's the engine. Again, I don't really know much about like cars. I mean, as you can tell that, you know, the lady corrected me on the Charger because like I don't know. Like I definitely need to take my time to probably learn more about these cars in particular. But it's just a part of learning, you know. These videos are to like, not only because, you know, I enjoy doing videos, I like making videos, that kind of stuff, but it's also because I want to learn about this stuff as I go on, as I, you know, mature, that kind of stuff. Very nice classic combination over here with this Bel Air. I think it looks like a blue-green of some kind with white. And then over here you got a C6 Corvette. Can't tell if it's a Z06 or is it Grand Sport? Yeah, it's Grand Sport. Yeah. Very low to ground. See that? It's very low to ground. May have some suspension settings to it. Overall, very nice. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of muscle cars here, which that's kind of like the car culture around kind of like southern areas like where I am. Of course, I've never really been to a car show in North Carolina. It's kind of my first time doing this, but I'm just like, I think most people like in the South are mainly muscle cars or like classic cars, classic American cars, that kind of stuff, which not a bad thing for me personally. I kind of grew up doing this, or I kind of grew up around classic muscle cars, that kind of stuff, so that's something I enjoy. I know a lot of, I guess, car culture guys, or a lot of people in the car community, I mean, everybody's got their own opinion, everybody's got their own taste. But, yeah, I mean, I've seen a lot of cool cars already. I mean, so those Mustangs over there look really nice, like the Mach 1. That Charger was really clean. Another big tire. Can't tell if this is a Malibu or a Nova. But I mean, as you can tell, it's set up for drag racing. You got the, everything's caged out. It's kind of hard to see, but everything's caged out. Got the big tire, the wing in the back. But here you go. Here's some stuff for your JDM fans out here. Got a Dodge Deon SRT4. Like when Dodge used to make kind of like little coupes. It's got the angry headlights too. Look how mad it is. 2.4 liter turbo. It says very cool. Nice little muscle car here, Dodge Charger. 5.7 liter V8 engine. So we got a 4-door. It's a Ford. I about said Bel Air for a second, but I mean, I think it's one of the classic Fairlanes, I think, back in the day. I know the classic Fairlanes and the Bel Air or something like that, but I know they were very close to design back then. Very cool. Got a Fox body Mustang over here. 5.0 liter Cobra engine. That's pretty cool. Should be talking when they were drag racing, but like the white on black, very classic combination in terms of color and wheels. It looks nice. Of course, I could be saying that because I'm biased towards Mustangs, but who's to say? Here's a Malibu Wagon. It's very cool interior. I like it. Very nice color too, like the orange with the black. Very cool. Here's something with, looks like it had a lot of detail with the paint. Custom cab. That just saying looks cool. There is a lot of detail to this. Wow, that is crazy. That looks very nice though. A lot of detail. Alright, got a Corvette. I'm not even gonna say the years anymore because I'm probably not gonna be correct. But and here's another Mustang. Looks like it's lower to the ground. Very, very so. You can tell by that fitment. Look at the fitment. Wow. It's low. Nice color blue on it as well. Oh, it's the 5.0 liter Coyote engine. Ooh, that's fun. On American Racing wheels as well. That is pretty sick. Got a Challenger. Appears to, I believe it's a Hellcat. Beware of attack owner. Hope the owner doesn't attack me.
Are you taking the temperature?
No, I'm just doing some recording.
All right. Shall I get out the way?
Nah, you're good, man. Look at this. Alright, we back. This time we got a Shelby Cobra in front of us. Things are always cool. Always been very cool cars. Very, very rare as well. Find an original one, probably worth millions. I mean, he's got the classic blue and everything. A little Chevy truck. Doing good. How you doing? head over here. Still got a lot left. I don't know if I can be able to get to it. The GoPro battery looks like the GoPro battery of the 7s looks like it's not that great, but we'll make out what we can get.
I love the sound.
His little Camaro IROC Z. It says 2-port injection on it. I'll have to look up what that means. Like I said, I'm here to show you guys some car shows, some very cool cars. I'm also here to learn too. So I know I'm not saying much, but so we're here to learn. Get 2011 Camaro. At least I got that year right. Here's another Camaro convertible. Official pace car, 100th anniversary Indianapolis 500, 2011. I don't remember who won the 2011 Indy 500. Something I try to see every year if I can, but it's very hard to, I don't know. Because I know the Indy 500 also takes place at the same time as the Coca-Cola 600. I think the last time I tried to watch out, I fell asleep, not because the race was boring, it's just I was tired that day. But I don't know. Here we go. C6Z06 LS7, 505 horsepower. I've always loved this year vet. It just looks sleek, looks nice. Which, I mean, I think pretty much the main vets I like are the Stingray vets from like, I think they were 67. I can't remember off the top of my head. But, and then like the C6, C7, and then C8s are also really nice as well, so. Another Camaro SS. Very cool. I like this body style too. The 2014, 2015, I believe is what this is. Body style looks really nice. Then we come over here to a, looks like a 65 Malibu. I like when they have the years posted, that way I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm talking about. Very nice. It says right here, the heartbeat of America. I think it's something that Chevrolet used to pronounce, or used to say way back when. There's a Holden right there. I think it's a Holden. One of those 4-door V8s sedans. I'll get close to it, but he was leaving. Here's Custom Deluxe. We're gonna get a line here of Chevrolet trucks. And there you go, Goodwrench Racing. Tribute to Dale Sr. I mean, it makes sense. We are in Wilkesboro, North Carolina, so. I mean, that track was. Track was still racing when Dale Sr. was around. It's very cool. Very nice interior. I always like these cars. Let's head over here. Looks like start off this line, and I think we'll be done with the car show section of this little video. And then after that, we'll check out some of the drag racing that's going on. And after that, we'll get some food. I'm hungry. I'm not eating. Normally my routine is just I straight up just get up and go. I don't eat breakfast or anything. I just straight up and go. I don't know how I'm living, but we making it.
You know, make for my car.
I love this one. It's beautiful.
We start off with a Bel Air. Nice color.
Well, that's what I'm doing with mine. I'm gonna drive.
Oh, there's a Chevy 300. I forgot. Oops. I like the white walls on here. The white walls really fit the color really nice. Here we go. 65 Corvette. This is the body style I was talking about earlier. But it could have been 67. It looks like here, it looks like it kind of takes parts from other Corvettes and it's on here. So, I mean, I was kind of right, I guess. So, yay me, I get a point. But yeah, this is kind of one of my favorite body style Corvettes, for sure. If I had a classic Corvette, this would definitely be it. But Stingray Vettes of this body style are really expensive, really expensive. Like, what I understand, they're about 6 digits. Here's something if y'all want to go fast. Camaro. But I mean, it's stripped out. It's got the very huge. Look at these Goodyear Eagles. Look at this. That's big. Got the bag up here. Got the wheelie bars. So I mean, this thing purposely built for drag racing. Really nice. Wonder how fast that will go. Wonder if it has NOS. Can't tell if it has NOS or not, but nonetheless, really cool. Then we go from one drag car to another. This, I believe it's no, it's Nova. Dang it! See what I mean? I get confused. So even though these drag cars, they make the paint look really good on these things. I like this. Looks really sleek. Really sleek. And then we get another drag car. So we are in the drag car section of the car show, if you want to see. Give them the type of screen. Now, I'm not really sure what car this is off the top of my head. But this time I was running Hoosiers. I mean, as you can see, the interior's stripped out all completely. I'm sure it's got a lot less weight. That way we can go down the track quicker. We step back a little bit from the drag car. We go to a Dodge Challenger. This Joker on it. I think this is a plum crazy purple. Something very well known with these Challengers. I don't know, maybe drag racing. That big wheel in the back. It just says Demon on it.
Yeah, I do.
What's the next front?
I don't know. Maybe a pickup.
This Chevrolet truck. Very tight-knit engine bay. It says Thriftmaster on it. Is that actually like the model? I don't think it is. I think it's just some custom, but yeah, not bad. Another Chevrolet truck. This is JD's Hot Rod Shop. We'll give them a little plug. There we go. So, shout out to JD's Hot Rod Shop. And then we get I think this is a Dodge. Mopar Performance. Don't see a lot of Dodge trucks around, but it looks really cool. Like the orange. Here's a Nova. I like when they do this. Like when they add the little car, they kind of like go with their actual car. It looks really cool. I love when people do that. It's pretty awesome. Ford truck, F100. F100 is a really, not a classic truck. I think probably would be an F100. Maybe because I'm kind of a Ford guy, but anyway, that's the point. But I mean, I'm not gonna knock anything else either. But I've always been a Ford guy. It's weird because I root for a Chevy driver, but I mean, in NASCAR, but I don't really root for the manufacturer. NASCAR, I root for the driver. But anyway, Chevrolet Apache. Well, they're trucks that Chevy's made, way in the back, way past. Another Chevy, and according to this car, it has an attitude problem. But I'm sure it'd be fun. I think somebody I know used to have one of these trucks before. Very similar. But I think it was, I can't remember if it was lifted or not. I don't think it was. It was something similar to what this truck looks like. No fear. Like these little dune buggies. Oh, this is cool. Pontiac Gto. Again, I don't know really, kind of forget what year this is. I know it's like either a 65 or it's either a 60. I don't think it's a 66. I think it's either a 65 or 67. But I've always liked these classic GTOs. Here we go, we get a Beetle. Now somebody already has a Beetle, might appreciate this. Classic Beetles are so cool. You can mod them any way you like. And so we'll show the engine. Back here looks really, really cool. I mean, I'm this Mustang over here. Like I said, I am a Mustang guy, so when I see a Mustang, I have to gravitate toward it. Really, really nice Mustang. Mach 1, especially this body style too. This body style is really probably one of my favorites. Overall, really cool car. Good color. Really clean. One thing I wish they did was like put like the description of like what the car was in the window. Because all they have is like the number. I guess I wish they registered. Another Mustang. Again, like the body style. Always like the square tops. Again, I'm not gonna name the year because I don't particularly know the year of it. I know they've made a few. I know they made a few years of the classic Mustang with the square top. So I just say it's about the 65 through the 67 or 8 range, I'm pretty sure, but still a very nice car. And speaking of Mustangs, here's another one. This one is not a square top. It says Ford Motorsport SVO on it. That's interesting. I kind of just learned recently about the SVO from Forza Horizon 5 with the Mustang that came out in the game. It was built by the SVO, so. But yeah, these are not bad either. I like these model Mustangs as well. Reminds me of the ones from Tokyo Drift. Here's some SUV stuff. Cadillac Escalade. Very clean. Speaking of clean, is that a Bel Air? Nice color on it. I feel like this is going to be pretty much this entire video. It's just me saying, hey, this is this car. Hey, I like the color of it. But I mean, I'm not lying. I do like the color of it. It looks nice. Except until I learn more about the engines and that kind of stuff. This is the start. Just see what it says on the end. I can't tell what car this is. It says Mopar on it, so I'm guessing some type of Dodge. This is Polara. I'll have to look that up. A little more about the Polara. Here is a Ford Maverick. Maverick Comet Club Your National. It is very nice. Very cool. Only got a couple cars left, I believe. We got an El Camino. El Caminos are always the kind of big talk of muscle cars because you never know, is it a car or is it a truck? Because it's kind of like built both in a way, but that's kind of the beauty of it, I guess, in a way. Very cool. And lastly, we got a Chevrolet Custom Deluxe. Very nice. Alright. So that was a pretty cool show. I ain't gonna lie, that was really nice. If I had to pick a favorite car, probably be the 60, or not 60, the 70s Mach 1 Mustang over there. I think that one had like pretty good color overall and looked really nice and looked really clean. So that's just my opinion. Alright, let's go ahead and check out some of the drag racing that's going on. Because, I mean, you've heard it. There's been a lot of cars rumbling by, so let's go check it out. Guys, that's gonna do it for me today. Been a very successful day, I should say. Really cool car show. Nice to see a couple of runs down the drag strip, and really friendly. I mean, never been to kind of North Carolina on my own for a car show. First time doing it, and people have been very friendly. Got one guy told me about a couple potential shows coming up in Virginia, Southwest Virginia. So I might head up there and see what kind of stuff they have up there. So, well, you never know. But appreciate you guys watching this video. Again, if you liked it, please give it a like, subscribe if you are new, and we'll see if I can do any more of these. Again, like I said, I don't know. I love cars, but I don't know much about them in terms of the engine, that kind of stuff. But we're here to learn. So, thank you guys for coming along. Take care. God bless, and have a good one.